This guy is trying to cut weeds. Good morning. So, this is a small vlog to test this noise DIY mic. I still have no idea how the sound would come. The reason for that is, I guess the mic is the culprit. Damn, I need that bag. God's waste. The culprit is actually the mic. I tried using the external recorder quite a number of times. The old mic, which was a 2.5mm mic, it is doing good. The sound is coming out very good. But when I installed this mic, which is a 3.5mm UV wala mic, it is catching too much of disturbances, I guess. I'm using two sponge covers over the mic, but still it's catching too much of disturbance. I guess the mic is the fault. I will order different mics soon. Also, the mic positioning is also an issue, I guess. I have tried doing some regard, but let's see how it comes. अच्छा वो तो ब्लॉग आ ही जाएगा. Hello. Also, I was trying not to do motovlogs for a reason that I don't know. I guess people don't like to listen to this boring talks. That's my guess. अच्छा क्या देख रहे हो? कैमरा देख रहे हो? कैमरा. Also, I take the same route every day to my office. So, and no point showing you the same route again and again. अच्छा तुम्हारे साथ क्या निकलूंगा? चलो देखोगे? I love this bike. Honda, put the CBR back. सब तोड़ो रेड लाइट. बनाई क्यों है? उड़ के चले जाओ. There used to be a traffic police वाला post here. उखाड़ दिया. पता नहीं क्यों उखाड़ा. So just a small vlog to test the new mic and the old mic with the new positioning setup. मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता कि आवाज कैसी आ रही होगी. चलो राइट सिर्फ मेरा हेलमेट सवा दो.